Hello, my friends. Welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and to the 292nd episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make some mouth-watering Southern chicken and dumplings. And my friends, this is thebomb.com. It is so delicious, comforting, satisfying, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And this would be great to serve for Sunday soul food or any night of the week. Your whole family is going to enjoy this dish. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Southern Recipes playlist for more delicious, down-home, scratch-made Southern recipes. From beef roast to chicken and noodles to grits. So grab your chicken, your dumplings, and your pot sugar because we're about to cook some chicken and dumplings magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, over here I have my vegetables chopped. I'm using 1 onion and 1 celery stalk. And over here I have my seasonings. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And over here I'm using 1 can of cream of chicken soup. And over here in my pot I got the fire over high heat. I have 7 chicken legs that I cover in water. So now we're going to add in the vegetables and the seasonings, and all we do is bring it to a boil. Alright my friends, the chicken and vegetables has come to a boil, so now we're going to add in the cream of chicken soup, and we're going to stir the soup in. Alright, so now we're going to turn the fire down to simmer, and we're going to let the chicken cook for 1.5 hours, and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through cooking the chicken, so I removed it out of the pot and I removed the skin and the bones. So now we're going to set this aside while we work on the dumplings. Alright my friends, on my flour surface I rolled up my dumplings, so now we're going to cut them into strips. So we're going to cut them like this, using a butter knife. So now we're going to cut the dumplings into squares. Just like that. Alright my friends, so now we're going to put the chicken back into the pot. All we do is bring it back to a boil. Alright my friends, the chicken has come to a boil, so next we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Give it a quick stir until the butter melts. Alright my friends, the butter is melted, so now we're going to add in the dumplings one at a time. Like so. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish putting everything together, and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I got all my dumplings in and they rise up to the top. So now we're going to let the chicken and dumplings cook for about 15 minutes and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, there you have it. Southern chicken and dumplings. Look at those dumplings just puff up and that moist and juicy chicken. Mighty tasty. Alright, I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. And I'm serving it with some green beans on the side. Alright, here we go. Grab me a piece of chicken and some dumplings. The chicken is perfectly cooked and the dumplings is tender. Melts in your mouth. These chicken and dumplings definitely warms up the soul. Please give this recipe a try. Y'all will enjoy this. This deserves another bite. This soul sister can cook us some chicken and dumplings. Yummy. Chicken and dumpling-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat!